Welcome, dear friend. Take a gentle breath and allow yourself to settle into this moment. This is a space for peace, for growth, and for truly embracing your highest potential. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey of inner transformation. We will gently guide your mind towards a state of profound peace, attracting abundance and cultivating lasting happiness. Our thoughts are powerful architects of our reality. By consciously choosing positive affirmations, we begin to reshape our subconscious beliefs, clearing away old blocks. These words are seeds planted in the fertile ground of your mind. With consistent nurturing, they will blossom into the life you truly desire and deserve. Now, let us begin. Listen to these affirmations, repeat them silently or aloud, and feel their truth resonate within you. Allow each statement to fill you with a sense of calm, possibility, and deep knowing. I am calm and at peace in every moment. My mind is clear, focused, and serene. I release all worries and embrace tranquility. I am worthy of deep inner peace. Peace flows through me effortlessly. I am a magnet for abundance and prosperity. Wealth flows to me from expected and unexpected sources. I am open to receiving all the good life offers. My financial well-being is constantly expanding. I am grateful for the wealth that enriches my life. Money is a tool for good, and I use it wisely. I attract opportunities for financial growth. I am financially secure and independent. My income consistently exceeds my expenses. I am a master of my financial destiny. I choose joy and happiness every single day. My heart is filled with gratitude for all blessings. I radiate positive energy and attract positive experiences. Happiness is my natural state of being. I am surrounded by love and support. I am confident and capable in all I do. I trust in my inner wisdom and guidance. I am resilient and overcome challenges with ease. I am growing and evolving into my best self. Every day, I am becoming more of who I am meant to be. I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy. I am loved, cherished, and deeply valued. I embrace new beginnings with optimism. My life is filled with purpose and meaning. I am creating a life I truly love. Take another gentle breath, allowing these powerful affirmations to settle within your being. Remember, consistency is key. Return to these words daily, especially during your morning ritual or before sleep. As you integrate these truths, you will notice a profound shift in your mindset and your life. You are capable of creating a reality filled with peace, wealth, and boundless happiness. Keep shining your light.